This is impossible. A liquid that becomes solid upon impact. Hit it fast enough, and you can even run across it. And somehow, it can even fight gravity itself. Mouth. Why does this liquid change its behavior, but the instant you touch it?
At rest, it behaves almost exactly like normal liquid. Move slowly, and your hand passes through effortlessly. But speed changes everything. Even heavy objects can freeze on the surface for a moment. The answer is hidden inside the particles themselves. The liquid stays the same, only the force changes. The harder the impact becomes, the stronger the liquid resists it. Most liquids collapse the moment something touches them, but this one waits, almost like it's deciding. The harder you push, the harder it pushes back. That should not happen. But if you move slowly, the liquid suddenly forgets how to be solid. Speed changes everything. Fast motion creates a solid. Slow motion creates a liquid. Inside the liquid, millions of tiny particles collide, and suddenly they cannot move anymore. Hit it hard enough, and you can stand on a liquid. And this is where the experiment becomes strange, because pressure can rewrite the rules of matter itself. If the force is fast enough, this liquid can briefly hold an entire human body. What looks like liquid is actually millions of microscopic solid grains suspended in water. Under sudden pressure, the particles lock together into temporary solid structures. The liquid itself never disappears. The particles simply lose the ability to slide past each other. The difference between liquid and solid can happen in less than a second. Remove the pressure, and the solid disappears almost immediately. Your entire body weight held up by particles smaller than dust. The liquid only stays solid as long as the pressure never stops. Even sound waves can force the particles into temporary solid structures. For a moment, the liquid behaves like something alive. Because somewhere around you right now, other materials are hiding the exact same physics. Sound changes everything. Not the liquid itself, but the way force travels through it. The harder the vibration pushes, the more organized the chaos becomes. If you move slowly, it behaves like liquid. But strike it, and everything changes instantly. Multiple impacts, multiple solidifications, like the liquid is deciding where to become stone. This is the strangest part. The liquid only becomes solid when you try to overpower it. Run across it, and it holds you. Stand still, and you sink. And then, seconds later, the solid disappears completely. A liquid that resists force. A solid that exists for milliseconds. And this is only the beginning. The harder you hit it, the stronger it becomes. But touch it gently, and it flows like milk. And this is the strangest part. The liquid isn't changing into a solid. It only behaves like one while the force exists. The moment the pressure disappears, the structure collapses back into liquid again. A material that becomes stronger only when you try to break it. And once you realize what's happening, you start seeing this behavior everywhere, from body armor to industrial shock absorbers to the physics of collapsing planets. Next time, we zoom 1,000 times closer into something you eat every day, and it doesn't look real.